Hello students, today we'll study the branch of physics that tells about the nature of light and various phenomena associated with light called as optics. So remember, optics is that branch of physics that deals with the study of the nature of light and various phenomena associated with light like reflection of light, rectilinear propagation of light, refraction of light, dispersion of light, scattering of light and various phenomena. But before starting the phenomena about light, we will study about the nature of light. You must know the basic concepts about the nature of light. So first point I am going to tell you is that light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of vision. That means it is a form of energy due to which we can see the beautiful world around us. So remember, light is a form of energy due to which we get sensation of vision. Second point is that light is an electromagnetic wave. You must have studied in your 9th standard or in your previous classes that a wave sometimes requires a material medium to propagate like solid, liquid or gas, which is called as a mechanical wave and cannot travel through vacuum. But there is a wave which can travel through solid, liquid and gas, but if the medium is not there, then also it can travel. That means the wave which can travel even in vacuum is called as an electromagnetic wave. So the light wave which we receive from the sun has to travel a large space of vacuum. That means if this is the earth, you can say, and this is the sun, and around the earth there is an atmosphere which we call as atmosphere, that means gaseous medium. So light from the sun reaches the earth, it has to travel a large space of vacuum. That means this is a space where no medium is present, only vacuum is there, but still light wave can travel through it. That means light is a wave which can travel even in vacuum, and any wave which can travel in vacuum is called as an electromagnetic wave. So remember, light is an electromagnetic wave, that means it can travel in vacuum. And remember, light travels fastest in vacuum. The speed of light is found to be maximum in vacuum, which is about 3 lakh km per second, or you better say 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And remember, this is an important property associated with light, that in a given homogeneous medium, that means whatever medium you talk about, light travels with constant speed along a straight path. That means the speed of light will be constant in a given medium. That means you can say through air or through vacuum or through glass or through diamond. In a given medium, the speed of the light will always remain constant and it will always travel along a straight path. This phenomena tells us about the rectilinear propagation of light, which says that light always propagates along a straight path with constant speed, but in a given medium. Now whenever light travels from one optical medium to another optical medium, now what do you mean by optical medium? The medium through which light can travel, like water, glass, air, vacuum, diamond, these are the medium through which light can travel. So whenever light travels from one optical medium to another optical medium, the parameter associated with a wave, like frequency, the frequency of a wave remains constant. And why frequency remains constant? Because frequency of any wave depends on the frequency of source that produces it. So remember, unless the source changes, the frequency of a wave remains constant. So whenever light travels from one optical medium to another optical medium, the parameter associated with wave, that is frequency, remains constant, whereas other parameters like speed and wavelength changes, because speed of a wave only depends on medium. Speed, remember, only depends on medium, right? Speed only depends on medium. On what factor frequency depends? Frequency depends on source, and this wavelength, it depends on source as well as wavelength depends on source as well as medium. So changing medium will always change the wavelength, whereas a change in source will also change the wavelength, but speed will change only whenever there is a change in medium. Thank you.